Check this out, guys. Alright guys, so we just opened up all these packages right here. Those are the accessories for the Sidestep to install. I noticed that one is clear and the other ones are green. Each colors means this one goes on the middle, this one goes on the side. Comes with the instructions as well. Like I show you the instructions, it's straightforward. I'm gonna show you how to install it, just stay tuned. Before that, the finish on those side steps are very nice. They're like power black coated, and here in the middle is the name of the company. It's not heavy and it looks like it's well finished and built very sturdy. I'm gonna show you exactly, guys, how to install them right now. I already took off the stock ones. If you want to see it, I'm gonna leave it right now on the side, and now I'm gonna install the new aftermarket and show you how you can do it. Let's go. All right guys, so the first one is the clear side with the clear plastic, but you have to follow your instruction. I'm just gonna do it the way how I found it. So this one was in the clear bag. Got this, it's like the full setup, the nut in the end. So we're gonna need two of them. 13 gonna be right here, and there is two or right here that we're gonna do the adjustment. I'm gonna install them and then show you exactly how you can do it. It's very simple, straightforward. And just right before I do this, I want to clean all this area right here so I don't have to do it again after I install the Sidestep. Okay, so with the first bolt that we installed, this one should fit and don't move. Install this right here like that, and then on the other side we'll do it exactly as follows. So this one first, this one then second, there you go, and then done. The other side, same thing. Just 1 second. All right, so after you install them, you're just gonna need to adjust them. So you adjust them the way how you want it, and before you tie them up, we're gonna install this, the middle, and the last one right there, and then I'm gonna tie them up in the end. So let's go finish this and the other side. After I tighten the 13, the 10 millimeters, then the last step is to adjust how you want this side step to be. So if you want it low, you can do that, and then tighten your balls. That will be your choice, and then you just put the number 17 and then tighten both of them, and then it should be all right. One side. Check this out, guys. All right, so we just finished installing it. You guys can use it, very strong. All right guys, thank you Oedro for supporting the channel with this Sidestep. If you guys wanted to get the same part, I'm gonna put that on the link on the comment section below. Open him right now to get in and the Jeep really quick. All right guys, I'll see you next with the new video. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel to receive anytime I post a video. You'll be first to see it. See you soon.